How to reverse diet to lose weight. Welcome to a new perspective on weight loss. Today, we're going to talk about reverse dieting, a unique approach that could transform your weight loss journey completely. Imagine a diet where you progressively eat more, not less. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But this is exactly how reverse dieting works. It slowly increases your daily calorie intake while your body is still burning excess fat. The principle behind reverse dieting is quite simple. Have you heard about metabolism? It's our body's engine, burning the calories we consume. When we drastically cut calories for a prolonged period, our metabolism slows down. As a result, when you return to regular eating after a strict diet, your slower metabolism can't burn calories as efficiently. This often leads to rapid weight gain, also known as the dreaded yo-yo effect. Reverse dieting aims to prevent this by gradually reviving your metabolism. The first step in reverse dieting is to figure out your maintenance calories, the amount of calories you need to consume daily to maintain your current weight. Online calculators can be a good starting point, but it's always best to consult a nutritionist. Once you know your maintenance calories, start adding about 50 to 100 extra calories to your daily intake each week. This slow increase gives your metabolism time to adapt and start burning calories more efficiently. The key to effective reverse dieting is tracking. Keep a food diary, monitor your weight and body composition. Pay attention to how your body responds to the changes. You may need to adjust your calorie increase based on your body's feedback. Remember, reverse dieting isn't about eating whatever you want. The quality of your calories matter. Make sure your diet is balanced, full of lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Include a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. When it comes to exercise, don't stop. Exercise is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and promoting fat loss. The trick is to balance it with your increased calorie intake. As you eat more, you should also gradually increase your activity levels. Lastly, patience is key. The progress with reverse dieting may be slow, but it's sustainable. It's about long-term benefits, not quick fixes. It promotes a healthier relationship with food, making weight loss a journey, not a race. Reverse dieting isn't for everyone. If you have a history of eating disorders, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's crucial to talk to a health professional before starting. It's always best to approach weight loss under professional guidance. It's time to say goodbye to restrictive diets that leave you feeling deprived and exhausted. Embrace reverse dieting, the method that promotes a healthy and sustainable lifestyle change. It's not just about losing weight, it's about building a healthier, happier you. Remember, every body is unique. What works for one might not work for another. But that's the beauty of reverse dieting. It's flexible, adaptable, and it works with your body, not against it. So, are you ready to flip the script on traditional dieting? Give reverse dieting a try. You might just find it's the game changer you've been waiting for.